Malungil sila ko kami rokoy. Ako man nung sam na tune in na TMC. Yang akang klaka willow miranggoy.
Nga ang klara siya shiro. Yagay da kuk mo miyang al Israel al sils.
Makot temiyang al Israel al sils sa Ministry of Justice. Ma Ministry of Justice sa utog da press release sa TRL al sils nga November 11, 2022. Et tiyang agire la car accident. Mated press release sa Mulwase. On the evening of November 10, 2022, police dispatch received a report regarding two-car accident near Mason Rock in Ngatmadu. The first vehicle was traveling from Kor towards Irai, while the other traveling in the opposite direction. According to the preliminary investigation, the vehicle traveling from Irai towards Koror appeared to have been speeding, which could have led to the collision. When police arrived at the scene of the accident, the driver and passengers of the vehicle that appeared to have caused the accident have left the scene. The other vehicle with the driver only remained at the scene. According to information received, there were no obvious injuries sustained by the driver. However, for safety measures, he was taken to the National Hospital. If you have any information regarding this incident, please contact the Bureau of Public Safety, Division of Patrol at 488-1422. At taramyang alay sa Ministry of Justice, Ms. Francesca Ramangasaw, ang ilay books na nga donated by Palawan sa Tirak-Kirakwam, madirak kal books na nga donate and more sila Division of Corrections sa Bureau of Public Safety. Ay gal books sablel accept tanggal Lieutenant Palaluk, Chief of Staff ra Vice President Roxanne Siwal Balesam. At taramyang alay sa miyang alay sa Office ra President, ngel Chief of Staff ra President Landi Sangkotaro, ablel invite teringin mo join ra former President Obama on stage for the Democracy Forum of 2022. Gal forum amumsa by strengthening and expanding democracy around the world representing Asia and Pacific. At taramyang alay sa direk kamyang alay sa Office ra President tergi del Surang al Whips Jr. ang maldiswalo ay sa hanggang mal-understand ay get concerns ra both parties and nga olbira kalulaw ma SS Board of Trustees masa their SS supplemental benefits. But he also agrees sa luwase akor tamaral gidel ngi amo settle their segi the disputes. Et tialgay sila lang ang aramdala presiding justice niya Kathleen Saling. At taramyang alay sa judiciary, abela wa host their Pacific Judicial Council training relad 2022. Tiang ulmo sila November 9 and mo 11 ngam na sils ranga ramayong. Ay gal training ang nga sessions ni address ethics and civility in the practice of law, juvenile justice reform, best trial practices for complicated civil matters, high-profile cases, cases involving pro se litigations. PJC members jurisdiction na include Rakwam, Commonwealth of Northern Mariana Islands, American Samoa, FSM, Mabulur Belao. At taramyang alay sa gilengel former Newell State Governor niya Elender Ngira Makati. Hanggang amno recent sentence sa November 7, ang kamla appeal ra court gaysen ra appellate court and through his appeal ang los reduce ra fine nil ngamne 674,658 and reduce ni to an excessive of $96,000. Dira kan los remover selban niya motor mura public office. Hanggang dira kalbler charge regular CC with charges but a different time period. Again charges samne one felony of misconduct in public office, misdemeanor for tampering with government records, 5 violation of code of ethics for failing to pay SS and income tax. Hanggang amle plead guilty ra give the charges ni and he will be sentenced in November 18, 2022.
Mataramayang alay sa former Cotter State Governor Franco Gibbons sa November 4 following a 3-day trial, niyamle found guilty for count 1 misconduct in public office and niya felony, count 3 ethic violations for use of government property and niya misdemeanor, Count 5, ethic violations for conflict of interest, el niya direct misdemeanor. Count 9, for tampering with government record, el niya misdemeanor. Gaya mo mora sentencing ra December 2 ra 10 a.m. Mataramayang ay sa China Airlines sa mo at more flights el Palau beginning ra November 16. Ay nga mo sweb ra every Wednesday and Saturday. Sa China Airlines special promotion offered ngi during the 2022 Taipei International Travel Fair Economy Class, el ngiya omo around $283. Mataramayang ay sa Customs, Immigration, and Biosecurity, a training year amlesera November 4th, el ngiya amle 2 sessions hosted by the Office of the Criminal Investigations of the U.S. Embassy from Manila. I got training sa olngaseo or officers el identify fraudulent travel documents, el girela U.S. passports and visa. Mataramayang ay sa Olbira Kalulaw, el mle introduce sa bill el ngiya stoba otrulel mauspa lela vape. That amendment to Palau's Tobacco Control Act tablal a new section el ngiya stoba importing, exporting, manufacturing, distribution, and the selling of electronic cigarettes. I get penalties also maka-purchase, possess, malubok ka consume of e-cigarettes as of imprisonment for 24 hours, but not more than 1 year. A cell fine not less than $100 and not more than $500. Findings are talbil o isaac mo the possess immediate and significant public health risk presenting numerous danger that include allergic reactions, lung injury and disease, seizures, and explosion. Dalbil abla introduced ringi Delegate Noah Kamsong. Yang abla pass sa third reading, ra House with 13 delegates al approve ringi. Dalbil abla transmit ringi to Senate for its deliberation.
Malo ay say, hindi mo nagigida Meang ay sulok nos amlo to dari al sils and mal weekend, so please at sumo kamali marom and find a designated driver and drive safe and buckle up.